Be honest. You can't focus anymore. You pick up your phone for a second. 2 hours later, you're still here. You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain is just hijacked. Here's what's really happening. Every scroll, every short video, it's a hit of dopamine. Your brain gets hooked. It wants more. So you keep going, even when you don't want to. And now, you can't read a long text. Can't watch a slow video. Can't sit in silence without reaching for your phone. You're training your brain to be distracted. But here's the thing. Your brain can be retrained. One simple rule. 1 hour a day, no screens. Just one thing. Reading. Walking. Cooking. Your full attention on one thing. No phone in your pocket. First 3 days are hell. Your brain will scream for dopamine. Day 4, something clicks. You think clearer. You actually finish things. Try it for 7 days. If nothing changes, go back to scrolling. But if it works, you just got your brain back. Do it. And hit subscribe. Because next week, we're breaking how to make this stick.